Assalamu alaikum wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking on a decorating challenge that many of you may be familiar with. How to decorate a small and narrow hallway. It's a space often overlooked, but with the right decision and decor, you can turn it into a charming and functional part of your home. So let's dive into some creative ideas to make your small and narrow hallway a design masterpiece. The first step is all about lighting. In a small hallway, good lighting is essential. Consider installing wall sconces or pendant lights that add both illumination and style. If you don't have the option for wall fixtures, use well-placed floor or table lamps to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Mirrors are your best friend when it comes to small and narrow hallways. They reflect light and create the illusion of more space. Choose a stylish mirror that complements your decor and hang it strategically to open up the hallway. Mirrors can also make the space feel brighter and more welcoming. Turn your hallway into a mini art gallery. Use the walls to display artwork, photographs, or even a mix of both. Arranging frames in a gallery style not only adds visual interest but also draws attention away from the narrowness of the space. Consider mixing different frame sizes and shapes for an eclectic look. Floating shelves are a fantastic way to maximize storage and display opportunities without encroaching on the floor space. Use them for books, decorative items, or even small potted plants. Floating shelves can add character and style to your hallway. Small hallways often lack built-in storage. Look for smart storage solutions that don't eat up space. Wall-mounted hooks or pegs are excellent for hanging coats, bags, or keys. A narrow console table with shelves or a slim shoe rack can keep the hallway clutter-free. Don't be afraid to go bold with wallpaper. A striking wallpaper design can make a significant impact in a small space like a hallway. Choose patterns that suit your style, whether it's floral, geometric shapes, or bold colors. Wallpaper can transform the hallway from drab to fab. Consider your color palette carefully. Light and neutral colors can make the hallway feel more open and airy. If you prefer dark colors, use them as accents or on one wall to create depth and contrast. Remember, lighter shades can give the illusion of a larger space. A well-chosen rug or runner can add warmth and texture to your hallway. Consider a runner with a bold pattern or vibrant colors to draw the eye and make the hallway visually interesting. Rugs can also protect your floors and reduce noise. To create the illusion of height, incorporate vertical lines and stripes in your decor. This can be achieved through wallpaper, paint, or even decorative moldings. Vertical elements can draw the eye upward, making the hallway feel less narrow. There you have it. Creative ideas to decorate a small and narrow hallway. Lighting, mirrors, wall art, floating shelves, smart storage solutions, bold wallpaper, strategic color choices, rugs and runners, and vertical lines can all contribute to a charming and functional hallway decor. Small spaces can be just as stylish and inviting as larger ones when given the right design attention. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more home decor inspiration. See you in the next video.